Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video we will going to launch one of the calculator application. So we already been taken all the screenshot and description. As you can see, this is a been like a basic calculator app that we will going to publish in our console, and it is a new console for the 12 testers has been required. Who were required the 12 tester service, let us know. As you can see in the display, our WhatsApp number 7989860888. You can WhatsApp and you can take the 12 tester services for the reasonable prices with you. Please let me know. So now as we taken all the description and every information as this thing, so let's start it and we will going to publish our app in the console. This is a new console. Who are required the consoles, who are required the 12 tester services or any kind of services, app building, a task application or any kind of application, you can contact to us. We'll going to do in the reasonable price and the time duration also. With the complete services we're going to take care. It's not like in a simple we will take a application we build and give it. No, until that it's get a live we will going to work out on that. So whoever required the services, let us know and let's start at our app publishing. The Google has recently changed some things also, some UI and some settings as they have been changed. Due to that we are making this video, so I think it may be useful to you. Okay, just create an app and just copy the app name and paste it out. Oh, it's okay, and it's a app, it's free, and just confirm it. As I'm making a fast speed, so you can able to pause it and you can able to see it. As if you want to see more how we publish the application, you can see all the playlist we have published a different kind of a application and games, different type of task app and everything we have been published. So you can see in our videos also, you can see our playlist. Okay, just set up an app and add a policy. So we're going to copy the policy here and paste it and save it. Just go back and app access. So this app has not a logging system, so we will keep it as does not require any logging information. Just go back and add content. Of course it's content the ad, yes we will do it. Yes, and just go back content writing. So just start it and we'll need the mail ID to copy it. Copy mail ID and its app. I agree. Next. No, no, no. Just you have to click it as on the no. Just save it as and do the next. Save it and just go back. Targeting audience, it's 18 plus. 18 plus is very good to, according to the policy, is very easy to use also. And data safety, for a data safety, I better import the data safety. I already been using the data safety of my old application, I think. Just hold on a minute. I think I have a old data safety also here. I think I will going to take it out the data safety. If you require the data safety, also I will going to provide you in the description. Who are required, just WhatsApp me. So I will going to share you the data safety, because it's each app has a different kind of a data safety. So that's a reason. So I have been published one app here already, so that the data safety will going to take it out. We'll just going to go here, apps and program policy, app content, advanced action settings, data safety. Because who will going to do all those things, so I will just export the CSV file. It has been exported, so we just close it. So what are the CSV file you have been exported, you need to import here. I think it's taking time. Okay, so this is data safety. So while you have been uploading the data safety, here you need to import it. Here you need to change, nothing is there, so there is no requirement of creating account. So just do it. Next. As you can see, everything is been filed here. Okay, just go back And it's government app. No, it's not a government app. And it's financial app. As it's in a calculator, it's a financial app. So then you need to click on others, and you need to write it this section. If you required, I can able to provide you in the description this thing. Okay, just next, save it, just go back, and it's content that this is a new thing Google has given. Before that it should be given under review, but they are given now only. Just click it as same thing. You just need to do you need to just follow as I'm doing the video. So in the details, if you want to see, you can see our previous video. You will going to get in the details. Health section, we are not getting any health information like that, so it's just do it. Okay, back. Okay, so the main part has been completed now. The data safety, all those things. Now we need to say we need to go on app categories and all those things. You need to go to the category finance. So it's been finance. Save it. So just close it off. Then tax and finance. Okay, just click on a category. Just click out a finance. Finance we will keep personal finance. Okay, mobile investment, insurance, keep it off. Crypto we will keep it. So it's depend upon you what are the category you want to keep it off. So as a default, I have been kept there. So I just don't want to get a more complicated with the app. So simple app publishing is very good thing. Just paste it, save it. If you have a website, just add it a website. But right now, I don't want to add any website. Just go on a dashboard. Just set up your app. So here we need to write a short description of here. So I just copy the short description. Okay, and long description we need to copy it here. Long description. Okay, then app logo. Here is a app logo. The Google has developed one more thing. If the app has size been not been setting now, so just you need to crop it out here. App icon, just click on app icon, save as in a copy. So it's very easy to crop it inside only. So it's very good. Then the feature image. I will just click on a feature image. Before that, we need to upload from devices every time you need to upload. But the Google has recently they have did very good thing that they have given individual sections here, so where we can able to upload the images from here only. You don't need to go back and click on uploading all the time. So just you it's been like in a backup storage, like just select it from here only. Just okay, just add it here also. If it is fixed, it will going to show. If it does not fix, it won't show to you. So as it's not been supporting, it's fine, just save it off. Okay, then just go back. It's better to go on dashboard only. Okay, so now section is we need to do the closer testers. So we'll select the countries. In the countries we select the all the countries and save it. Then add a testers here. So for a testers, I need to take it out a tester mail ID. Here we need to add a testers who will require the 12 tester services. They can contact to us. As you can see in the number has been displaying on your screen. That is our WhatsApp number. You can call to us, and we can able to do. Just type it here in the group and just enter it and save it. And next segment is create a new release. So we will going to create a new release here. Just upload it and just click on a new release. And while it's been uploading, we will going to copy the short description. Just copy it, and here you need to paste within these two. Then see wait till it's been uploading. It's depend upon your net speed and size of your app. It's take time, but it's not going to take much time also. It's millions time only. I don't need to be worried about that. uh, So in the description, please write it as in what topic you need more videos to be make it at, and which will be more useful to you. Please is write on that. Based on that only we're going to make a videos, because we posted so many app publishing videos only. So we request you, please, who are seeing the videos till the end, what are the problem you are facing, please write it in the comment. So based on that only we will going to make a video, and in the comment also, in the video also, we're going to show your comments, what the comment, based on that only we will going to make a video. So okay, so it's been uploaded, just do next. I hope it won't be get any problem. It's a red mark is there, you need to fix it the problem, but it's a yellow is you can ignore it, save it. So send an overview. Just go it as an a just go an overview and send the changes for a review, send the changes for a review. So okay, as our app has been published now, it's saying that not send it as a review, just nothing but just do the refresh to your page. It's been completed. So as this is we've been publish our app, so within a 24 hours it will going to get a, as it's showing in the draft, then it will going to show the closer tester. Then we have to do the closing testers. Then after that we need to wait for 14 days. Then after that testers should be passed. If it is passed, then you can apply for a production. So I hope you people like our video. Please like and subscribe to our video. Thank you so much.